Good afternoon. I haven't made a video about this little project yet, and this here is a shower leaking, shower pan leaking. That was replaced once, and it rotted out twice. All these beams here. What we did today is we cut out the drywall past where the concrete is upstairs, and see what we got to do. And in that process, discovered those are 2x12s that were hacked down to fit underneath the concrete. And the real issue is over here where all the plumbing comes down. Right here, this doubled up 2x6 that's laying on its side that provides support for the framing upstairs is nothing here on this double beam at all. Old radiator lines, 4-inch cast iron stack, and then we've got some knob and tube wiring here tied into modern Romex, so this has to be addressed too because that wire goes through concrete. And then in between these two 3/4 pipes we've got to replace. Actually, that's 1 inch. We'll replace all the plumbing from here, it looks like. It's 90 underneath the slab here. All this is going to get replaced, as well as this 2.5 inch drain for the shower, since we're deleting the shower altogether. And then we're going to redo all this tub drain. Some more knob and tube coming through that corner. Let's look at that. And then we're going to open up upstairs to see what this is doing. See what that's doing. And this part of this triple's got to be replaced. See the outside corner of that triple's bad. But that's what we're dealing with here. It's not good. Alright. Yeah, all this concrete's fixing to fall down from upstairs, so we're going to take it all out. Alright, that's what we're dealing with. We'll go upstairs and I'll show you what I did upstairs. Alright. This is the master bathtub that's upstairs, right above where we open everything up downstairs. And it's one of these earthenware tubs. And it ties into this shower here that we're going to delete. You can see stress crack in the floor there. And that's where all that frame is bad right there. So we gotta open this wall up. Open that wall up. So then eventually we're gonna add a shower in this up there. And we've got handles coming. So hot and cold on this. That's what we're doing up here, eventually. Alright, hold on 1 second. Alright, now this is the hall bath, which I think that's a crane valve and standing waist. And that's that standard 1920s American standard valve they rebuilt and it's back in the wall. And then these are the locations for the diverter valve. Put the diverter valve here. The diverter valve there, the diverter valve there, and then your handheld shower can go on the right hand side, maybe with the diverter in the middle and shower on the right hand side or on the left hand side. I'm not sure. We'll let them pick how they want to do it. Back in here is where we did and here is our shower valve we put in the wall and piped in last week. Anything dripping here? There was drips on all this. Alright, I'll come back and check those and make sure I don't have no little drips on the top here. Alright. And that's what we're doing here. This is a huge earthenware tub. Huge. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll do some more